So I'm gonna just work through this bad lighting day because we ain't giving up. We already dedicated, so we gonna keep it moving. So the next wig that I have to review for you is not this wig because this review is already posted, and this is Marissa. No, I ain't telling y'all all that. Go watch the video. Okay, so the next wig that I have to review for you is the new let me guess this name. Vivia. The new Vivia in the color FF Russet. And I was gonna get the color warm brown because those colors suit me, but I was like, no, I'm gonna step all out. I'm gonna step on the limb. I'm gonna do this for y'all because I got y'all. So stay tuned.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be.
Let me just tell y'all something. Let me just tell y'all something. This color is beautiful, just not for me. The color is giving me all type of like fall vibes. And listen, the wig pattern, everything about this wig they made perfectly, just not for me. Just not for me. I took one for the team because this is not working. Like, this is not working. Okay, so the wig comes with baby hairs, but I'm just not a baby hair type of person. Like, when I wear my real hair, I don't wear baby hair, so I just don't feel like it makes any sense for me to do it with wigs. Like, it doesn't make it look any more real to me because I don't wear it with my real hair. Secondly, yeah, so if they have baby hairs, and if that's what you like to do, girl, go ahead. And secondly, the curls in this wig are beautiful, and the wig itself is beautiful. It's just not beautiful for me. Anyways, cap construction is fine because the two combs in the front, one comb in the back. It does not come with lace to cut, so therefore you will end up with a line of demarcation. It can easily be fixed if you use some got to be glued right at the tip of it. It'll blend more with your skin, or you can cut a small V in front of the lace and that'll handle it really quickly. I will go all into those details, but I don't think that I'll be keeping her. I might be gifting her to someone because this color is just not for me. But the wig itself is beautiful. I'm not experiencing anything that would make me be like, nah sis, don't go get this wig. Now I wouldn't consider this wig to be super beginner friendly because you do have to find a way to hide that lace. And if you're one of those people that's super insecure about starting out to wear wigs, then this probably won't be your first wig, but like fifth, you know what I mean, fifth, sixth wig. So it's not tangling too much, and that's, you know, odd because it is related to Valentino, and a lot of people said they had problems with tangling with Valentino, but I still have a lot of Valentinos that haven't shed or tangled, so I don't know what I got. I got a special one or something. Anyways, so I haven't received much shedding and tangling yet, and all I did was put powder in the part. This is more like a try on haul because, you know, maybe somebody else could do this wig for justice, but baby, not me, not me. Hey y'all, so she's supposed to be like the sister, the cousin, the auntie, the somebody of Valentino. And if you haven't checked out Valentino, she was the hottest wig of last year, arguably, okay? Arguably. But if you haven't checked out her, check her out. She has some really pretty ones. And like I said, I love this line too. She's pretty, she's beautiful. These curls is giving me everything, but the colors just ain't for me. So I know some of y'all out there can pull this off. Go ahead, girl, order this. Show me up, girl. Show out. Pop out. Show me how you can slay this color, because I know you can, okay? Do better than me, okay? Don't be like me. Be better than me. All right, that's all I got. I got places to be. I'm taking this off, packaging it back up. So, yeah, I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.